FATCA, or the Foreign Account Tax Compliance Act, is a very comprehensive set of legislation introduced over the past several years. Now, it's ostensibly designed to reduce tax evasion on the part of U.S. citizens that hold assets overseas. There are two people who are involved in FATCA, or two groups of people. One are U.S. citizens that have accounts overseas or have an interest in entities that are located overseas. And the second, and the bulk of the legislation, focuses on foreign financial institutions. Now, in a nutshell, in summary, what this requires is that these foreign financial institutions register with the IRS and report either automatically or by request, depending upon the type of regime that they're using, the account holders, United States account holders, and their assets. Now, obviously, this cuts into privacy considerations for U.S. taxpayers that are that aren't involved in anything nefarious. But what it has done, unfortunately, is reduce the level of banking services that United States citizens have abroad. So if you are headed abroad or you're planning on living overseas, it's important to understand what types of banking relationships that you'll have, because the legislation is fairly onerous and many foreign financial institutions simply don't want to be bothered with that compliance.